Hello, everybody. This is Adiel Gorel, the CEO of ICG. I want to talk about something today. Today is April the 16th, that has to do with making mortgage payments or not making them. But before that, I'd like to give an update. Today, as I said, is April the 16th. And we already have the reports from all property managers across all our markets. As of the month of April, which some were afraid, well, rents were not going to come in, the tenants won't be able to pay. I recorded a video talking about how the unemployment benefits might help a lot. The reports are showing about 96% collection. In other words, there's hardly anyone who is asked to pay only half, to be slow on payments, or not to pay. For the month of April, close to, actually not close to, a little more than 96% across many hundreds of homes that we are looking at. So rents have been coming in. However, there is also a program under CARES, C-A-R-E-S, it's an acronym, where most of the lenders will give a forbearance. And if you can't remember that word, just think of a little children's fable about the four bears. So forbearance. Many of the lenders in the country, and in fact, for all federally involved loans, such as Fannie Mae and VA and FHA, most of the loans in the country, that's part of the CARES Act. Interestingly, many of the lenders and the services are also offering it to the other type of loans as well. The forbearance is for 180 days at 6 months, and you can ask your bank not to pay your mortgage payment for 6 months. There will be no effect on your credit because the CARES Act modified that act as well, the Credit Act, and it will not have any effect on your credit, no late fees, nothing of that sort. You will still owe the money that you didn't pay, and it's not 100% similar as to how you will pay it back. Some are afraid that they will have to pay it back in a lump sum after the period of forbearance is over. Some think that they might need to make it in payments over a year or so. But the most intriguing option, which seems to be starting to come around, is the payments will be tacked on to the balance of your loan and will only be due once the loan is paid off one day in the future or the house is sold. That is an interest-free loan for decades in some cases. And given what we know about inflation, we talked about inflation likely increasing after the situation that we have now. That is an interesting and intriguing situation. There is the option to increase the forbearance time from 6 months to 12 months. And you can ask for the second 6 months installment. So something to know about. Do check with your lender. It's important that you know the specifics of what your lender, your services, your servicer rather, is offering. One of the banks I looked at, with whom I have quite a few mortgages, when I look at my mortgages online without me doing anything specific or nothing at all, there is a place to click next to each one of the mortgages saying, if you would like a forbearance, please click here. So some banks are making it easy and you can do it right there online. Check with your bank. It's very important to check and see, but it's good to know that the government protects not just the tenants, which they absolutely should, but also the landlords who will, if they want to and can, ask for a forbearance for 6 or 12 months. Maybe the amount will be owed someday at the end of the loan, maybe not. Please check with your lender, But this is an important point and something to look at. So I wish you all wonderful stay at home. Who knows, maybe next time we talk, we won't be staying at home anymore. Until then, I'll talk to you soon and have a wonderful week, day, and month.